Please share with me, in general, after attending many mind engineering sessions, how did it benefit you in your badminton game, in your performance in general?
Good evening, sir. It's a big experience for me. Like I've shared a lot of what to say my situations in badminton, especially what I will say myself. Like I try to do a lot of hard work to reach to my level, my expectation. Initially, I thought of working very hard on my. I believed in my training sessions. So badminton is particularly a fitness-based game. Initially, my thought was like that. So normally I used to train very hard, especially on the fitness and my focus on the court to do a lot of stroke practice, because professional level we need a lot of stroke practice and fitness. But what my problem is like that when I going for a tournament, it's very difficult to excel or perform as the same when I'm doing in my practice. So that worried me a lot, because there are a lot of tournaments are there. So once you perform only, then we will get to reach to our expectation. So basically, I'm a hard worker, because my physique was not compared to many, was little in the average scale. But only thing I know is like to work hard initially. So what I was affecting me that I'm not able to perform what I am doing in my practice. So I happened to meet sir, of course, like for many years. So I after taking a lot of sessions with you, sir, I got to know like mind is the main thing which is helping me to perform well in the tournament. Because when I realized that like when I practice, I don't have any tension. So what I did in my practice, it's go well. What I do in my fitness, it also go well. But when I used to start my game in a tournament in the difficult situation, or when I go and play in the pressure situation, I'm not able to do that. So after having the sessions with you, and after that, I really got the value of mind, or the importance of mind engineering in my game. So then I realized like if the mind is stable or mind is cool, like in the what I mean is like is like in a peaceful state, then the same situation I can apply in the match. So there are many close matches which I won only because of the mind. Because if it is cool, or if I'm able to think well in that state, then I can apply whatever strokes or whatever things in the present situation. I'm able to be at the present, not be an anxious. Anyway, the tensions will be there, but I'm able to cover that tension. So that was the main experience of realizing how mind apply in the game. So that was the main thing I got from you, sir.
Okay, see, this is a most important factor in any game, any sports activity. People do not understand the critical importance of mind factor. See, you are getting trained by very good coaches regarding physical fitness, techniques of the game, and all. But at the international arena or at international level matches, it comes to a point that the mind is the most critical aspect affecting the performance. That you realized, that is a very good achievement for you. That really helped you, having realized that the mind aspect or mind factor is a very critical aspect influencing your performance. Having said so, can you tell me how the mind engineering sessions helped you to focus yourself more in the game and improve your performance?
Uh, I will say little because what I feel, I am one of the senior most player for a very long time, because now also I am playing in the senior circuit, even the master circuit, and it's for a many 30 years of experience is there, sir. So what some of the occasion, like after having the mind session with you, sir, is like one is a world championship in Turkey. There I was I am basically what to say, sir, a defensive player. That means those who attack or smash, I have to defend them and to make them tired. That is the strategy I used to have. So when I went to Turkey, the shuttles were very fast. So I am in a situation, I'm worried, like I am, because I want to perform well, I prepared very well, everything was good. But if I'm not able to control the shuttle, so that negative thought is there, because when I played with the German, his build was very good. He's an attacking player, so I'm very much confused how I am going to, what is will be my strategy. Main thing is like I have the feel of I'm not able to control the shuttle. So at that time, I think, sir, you're remembering, like I called from there, sir. You
Which was
told
the
me
tournament, Joy? Which
it
was
was
that tournament?
it was Senior World Championship. That is happened in 2014, I guess. That is in Turkey. So I am playing with the world number 3. He was seeded number 3 at that time. He was a German player. So I
What was
was
your
really,
ranking at that time? What was your ranking at that time?
I was the first entry into the world championship. So I was about to say, like, I was not at ranked that much, but I was in the top 16 or something like that. But so he's number 3 also. So I don't know how I will do, because the shuttle is also not in control, and the climate, everything was different. Sir, at that time I called you, and sir told me about the mantra of S, because to keep the mind in a normal level, don't think of. So I was just recollecting the fact that he was telling, like, don't get too much, what to say, like, be in the normal state. Don't think of what will going to happen or the previous thing. That I still remember, like, each and every point after getting, I just said yes. I think I don't know how to say that situation. Then once the game started, so you told me, like, just say yes and focus on the game. So in each every point, I used to say whether I get a point or lose a point, I just keep on telling in my mind to be yes. The stature of, like, yes was there, so I don't have any tension, or I just fully into the game. And surprisingly, I recollected, like, now also, like, the fast shuttle I able to control better than the slow shuttle, which I am very comfortable with. The shuttles were never went out, and I was in control total in the game. When I'm making a mistake, then I was in a cool state, like saying, yes, it can happen. When I'm getting a point, that also I go to, like, it can happen. So I was not at all distracted in the game. I kept my mind from zero to my match point in the same stage. I don't have any what to say, like, anxiety or any what others think outside the court. I don't want to. I was fully in the strategy, and everything worked well. And it was a long match, almost 1.5 hour match, and the opponent got tired. So everything came on the positive side of me. So that was one of the best match I recollect
Yeah.
in my memory. That was the best in, like, happening of the
Yeah,
World
wonderful.
Championship.
See, this is a great achievement for you, because
Yes,
after
sir.
many sessions, at least you reached a level that you are able to focus fully in the game without much worrying much about the past or past point, and without much anxiety about the future. You were fully focused. This is great achievement. But you might have seen there are many instances in the international arena, in the international matches. We have seen many uh, many players, outstanding players, they are not able to fully focus in the game when they are losing some points. So it creates a lot of worry and anxiety about the future points. And we have seen many world top players mentally disturbed in this kind of situations. You are able to focus fully in the game, that only given you the result. That is a wonderful achievement for you. Yeah, Mr. Joy, you have been in the game for so many years. You have a lot of achievements at the national level, international level. Now you have reached to a very respectable, coveted position as a national coach of Indian badminton team. How, and you are also training a lot of youngsters in the game of badminton. How the mind engineering wisdom or training or techniques, various mind engineering techniques you are applying as a coach when you are coaching the national players and other players. How did the mind engineering sessions and training help you to coach these players?
Sir, the mind engineering sessions in my life helped me a lot to win many matches. And I happened to learn it little late, because otherwise I should, now also I feel like I should have done much more in my game. And now I'm happy, like, whatever the ability I have, I'm achieving only through the mind engineering. That is a main fundamental thing for me. So I want my trainees. I have training many students in the state, national, international level. So first of all, I make them think about mind importance in a game. It's equal to, many of the youngsters believe that if I train well, whatever I do my fitness, whatever I try work hard in the game, then it will reflect in the tournament. So and many not able to achieve this because they are not training in the mind aspect. So after becoming a coach, my first priority is like the try to give them the importance of mind engineering, or mind plays a vital role in their future, or whatever they are going to achieve. Mind plays an important role. Otherwise this is not easy, or it's not possible. Whatever do in the practice come out not coming in the matches. So whatever I give them the trainings, I give equal importance or more importance to mind aspects. So just like a training program, I also introduce the mind engineering aspect to them. So that really worked very well, because many of the students who have gone through these techniques able to achieve very well, because first of all they will gain a belief of themselves. They will have a belief that I can do it. So these things is came to their mind because of the mind engineering aspect, and they believed in that game. That is a platform where they can travel a lot. If that is like a road, like if it's not good, their travel will be slow, or they will have to stop in between. If the mind is clear, they can go up to their expectation. So what my trainees, first of all, I am giving the importance. And as a coach, when I go abroad, or with the Indian team, I'm able to understand their emotions they are going through in a match. Because whenever able to, they are getting the tense moment, I will just go to them and say like, just be calm in your mind, then only your things will come out, like your planning will come out. So that things I able to convey them before the match, because the Indian team, when I go, there are different players coming from different states. They may not be my trainees. So within a little period of time, I just want to make them convinced to believe in themselves. That is my experience I share with them. The techniques which I learned from the mind engineering sessions with you, I'm able to convert to them. So their performance was very good. And the Indian team, I now it's a 54 member team, and there were coaches were there apart from me, and we succeeded like getting a gold medal for India, silver and gold. That is the first time happened for our country in the junior ABC, happened in Indonesia in the 2020 end. So that was the one of the finest moment. I am so happy as a coach that I able to convert to them, and they made a good achievement for India, as a coach duty also. I am so happy.
Yeah, I'm very happy because we had many sessions, long associations. We had many sessions on mind engineering regarding your performance. So I'm very happy that you are able to share the mind engineering wisdom, training, various techniques, various mantras, and passing it on to your players at the national level, and also the kids you are training. I'm very happy that they are getting benefited and they are giving very good performance also.